How to dispute a Monday.com charge on bank statements. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your Monday.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. After making sure that you are logged into your account, now what you're going to do is simply get into your admin, and then from your admin, you'll get the billing option. Tap on billing, and then here you'll be able to view all of the details, take a screenshot for evidence, and then you can submit a request via your monday.com/contact us, where you'll be able to contact them. There you'll need to provide the invoice details and explain the reason for dispute, and contact your credit card company if it is still unresolved. So once you provide the invoice details and explain the reason for the dispute, they must be able to dispute that charge on your bank statement. But if they are still not being able to do that, then you can directly contact your credit card company or your bank in order to resolve this issue. I'm pretty sure they will be able to help you out regarding this.